Okay, so this house that we're walking up to right now, it's like a little house. This one is apparently where somebody was murdered. You guys look like you're up to no good out here, huh? What are you guys doing? You plotting something? Something I should know about? You guys look like thugs. Okay. I'll leave you alone. Okay, so today pretty much what's going on, guys, is yeah, we're doing that. And I have to wait till Aaron gets done like tie-dyeing or something. He's doing some stuff with his family. I don't know what he's doing. He said he's tie-dyeing shirts or something, which is pretty cool. I mean, hopefully he tie-dyes me something. Wink, wink. Aaron, if you're watching this, that means tie-dye me something. But today, there's a little like abandoned place that's like back behind a lake. It's like really weird. It's in my town and I used to go there all the time when I was younger, and I just thought it was the scariest thing in the world, and like all my friends did too. So I haven't been there for like years, so I think I'm gonna go back there today and just like explore what's around there and see if like it really is scary like I thought, or if I was just like a little kid and I was just freaking out for no reason. I'm on my skateboard right now too, if you guys can tell. You guys been asking me for an abandoned video for like the longest, and I'm sorry I haven't gotten around to it. There's not a lot of abandoned places around here, you know what I'm saying? Guys, if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications, because every day is lit and every day is a banger. And also leave in the comments like what you want to see me do, because I'm always gonna be listening to the suggestions. Yes, I might not do every single one of them, but if a million people are saying to do something, I'm gonna do it, because you guys are the viewers and I want to do what you guys want to see me do. Like obviously you guys are the ones watching it, so I'm gonna do what you want to see. You're not Aaron. You're not Aaron, bro. Aaron, I apparently like fell asleep or died or something. He's not answering my phone. He hasn't answered me all day, so I'm guessing he's not coming with us on this adventure today. So instead, Joe's here, and I got my other buddy Garrett. He's eating like over there somewhere. The Lambo got no back seats, and this man's about to sit back here.
There's nothing to it.
It's got no.
Oh my god, it's disgusting.
Yep. We got a long drive, so.
Oh, I ain't sitting on that, bro.
Yeah, you are.
You sat there to go to the park.
We gotta go to an abandoned place, bro.
I sat up there, and it was cleaner. Then sit up there. What the hell is this? Who the f cares? Oh my god.
It's a Lambo, bro. It's a race car, bro. Get back there.
Yeah, we're gonna get pulled over, and we're gonna get fucking. I'm sitting on top of this for a second.
Alright, guys, so we went to the place that was like right behind the lake near my house, and there was cops blocking off the area, and I don't know why, but that's that. So we're going to a different abandoned house where apparently there was like a murder scene. Everybody was telling me about it, like, yo, go here, yo. There was a murder scene like back then, and it's supposed to be really haunted, so we're gonna go there and just check that out. So that'd be really fun, but definitely stay tuned, guys. Alright, so we showed up to the place, and like the doors are locked and everything. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, he might have found an entrance.
Yo.
You found an Easter egg?
Yeah. Got some Starburst.
No shot.
That's it.
You won't eat it right now?
So I won't.
You won't. Guys, if you eat this, okay, yeah, drop a like. I was gonna say, you didn't give me a chance to say it. Oh god, you're gonna die now of like some type of poison. What is this little shindig? A little race car. Brum brum. Yo, drive it, bro. Can you pop a wheelie? There's a seat and everything.
Oh, this is the seat, right?
Yeah.
Yo, it's just like home.
That's the pedal.
Yo, pedal.
That's the like steering wheel, I'm guessing.
No, these are wheels.
Oh, that's the steering wheel?
No.
I don't know.
You got some WD-40?
Wait a second. Oh, never mind. This goes right to another side. Yeah, I wonder what's on that side. I could be like extra and crawl under this, or I can just be like them and walk completely around. Either one. What you think? You know I'm extra. Oh god. There better not be a spider under here. I'll freak out. Ow. God, I'm scared. Oh, I hit my back. Oh. I'm scared. Ow, that hurt. I smacked my back.
Yeah. I wonder what happens when you go through there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know. We could be like, we should go through it.
Yeah. Try something cool there.
You think? Psych, I ain't gonna do that again. You can though.
I don't want to.
I wish there was a way inside, bro. There has to be.
Oh, does this window open? I don't know. There's broken glass, so someone broke something. There's broken glass? Wait, well, I'm gonna just break this window with a rock.
Let me see your stitches, bro. You remind me of saying break.
I mean, two of them came out because that lady sucks. It was obviously her first time.
That's the aftermath of the 1,000-mile-an-hour razor blade fidget versus.
Yeah, don't lie to them. It was 1,005.
1,005 miles an hour. If you guys didn't check that out, definitely check it out right now. It'll be top right corner. So that sign right there says, everybody take a picture and record this because it's really cool for YouTube. Okay, we're gonna keep roaming around. It's like a mini town that's like abandoned for some reason. Like the whole town's abandoned. There's like a shack right over there to go to the bathroom. There's a tractor and stuff right there. Right here, there's like another house, a little house. Yeah, should we check it? Let's check it. Nope. We can play the Ouija board under here. It's like underneath the house. Yo, if you guys, everyone stops what they're doing right now. Oh, that's sick under there. If everybody stops what they're doing right now to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell next to the subscribe button, that's the post notifications. If you guys stop and hit both those buttons right now and then drop a like in the video, then I will do whatever you want. I'll like play the Ouija board under there, 24-hour challenge under there, have dinner under there, anything you guys want, anything your little heart desires. So okay, so this house that we're walking up to right now, it's like a little house. This one is apparently where somebody was murdered. I don't know how true that is, but a bunch of people have told me that live around here, like, yo, go to this place, like, it's abandoned and really, really haunted, and someone was slaughtered in that house. And this is it, so it's small. It's like smaller than I thought.
Yeah.
What?
Chill. Hold on. Yeah, move. Move. Yo.
In your back.
There's something on my back?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
I got it. Yeah.
What is it?
I got it.
Oh, okay.
I saved your life.
Is it open?
No. I might break it though.
No, don't break it.
Just
Don't
pop
break it.
this one open.
No, don't break it.
Because that one might be open if I pop this one.
Why is there an air conditioner? There's an air conditioner.
Dude.
Someone might be living here.
Yo, someone living here? Knock, knock, knock.
Oh, yeah. That's
Ah, a fly just hit me in the eyeball. There's a light in there?
Yes, look, it's on.
There's like an air conditioner. That's doing a lot.
We don't know why there's lights and stuff on that one. I guess it's not abandoned anymore. There's an air conditioner and everything, so that's where someone was murdered.
Cable.
And they have cable. There's a hose.
The window's open. Wait.
The window's open? Oh, your reflection scared me, bro.
There's water in there.
The lights
Space
on.
heater?
I said the lights
on.
were on.
There's a space heater.
Somebody drinking water in there.
Okay, so we can't get in his house. I don't know if someone lives there and it's not. Oh, my camera's not focusing because my life sucks. But yeah, there's like air conditioners and stuff. This whole town is abandoned. There's no way someone lives here. So there might be like renovating or something in there. I don't know, but can't get into the house that someone was murdered in. So that really stinks. We'll go like to another abandoned house. There's millions around here.
Look at this A1 foundation. Yo, that's how my transmission's held together.
The Lambo transmissions.
Yeah, that's how it's held together right now.
Yeah, we can go under here too to play the Ouija board.
I'm not going under there with that.
To play the Ouija board?
Yeah. Do you see
You
this?
think?
I could break this down.
Yeah, this house will fall on us if we go under there. This was a sawmill. Apparently, Garrett knows like the history behind this. So he told me it's a, oh, maybe that's why he thinks it's a sawmill, because there's actually like a sawmill thing going on. Yo, tell me I won't climb on the roof.
We'll climb on the roof. Yeah, there's a nice town.
Tell me I won't climb on the roof right now. Tell me I won't. You guys watching us right now, tell me I won't. Because I'm about to climb on that roof real quick. You ready, bro? You recording? You guys see me? I'm in the frame.
That looks sturdy.
Finessed.
That was ease.
Yeah, I'm on top of the world. I feel like I'm about to fall through and just die.
That'd be so funny. You probably will. Should you get off? Someone coming?
You guys coming up? I think that we should not be on the roof, so I'm gonna get down. That was fun while it lasted. Doesn't feel too haunted right now. Like, I don't feel like there's a spirit like chasing me, but it's also daytime. And I wanted to show you guys like during the daytime because it's annoying like carrying around a flashlight. I'm sure you guys think it's annoying too because you want to see like the full effect, but you only see like a certain spot that I'm pointing at. You're probably like, no, point to the other spot I want to see. But this time you guys can actually see like everything. That's the spot, yo. That's the spot. That is the spot. Guys, if you want to see us play the Ouija board underneath the haunted sawmill thing in this abandoned place, definitely drop a like on that video and comment that you want to see it. And this time, you know, I see in the comments of all my Ouija board videos are like, everyone's like, yo, you're a baby, why don't you play? Why don't you play, Jake? It's your channel, stop making your friends play. You're the one that's supposed to be playing. I'll play, but as long as you guys make sure to drop a like and comment that you want to see down there, I'll play, I promise you. This is what happens when you play my mixtape. Fire. He knows. Oh my god, this side too? Damn, a couple bars must have flew from my mixtape all the way to that side on accident. Damn, I bet. Guys, if you don't already, follow me on Instagram. You definitely should do that because, yeah, I'm just cool. So follow me on Instagram. I just posted a picture like an hour ago. So if you go like this picture right now and comment on it that you came from this video, then you're going to get a follow back. I promise you, as long as you turn on my post notifications for Instagram. It'll be on the bottom of the screen in case you guys can't see it. What is that, yeah?
It's a snake hole.
How do you know?
Because I know what snake holes look like.
You know? Oh my god.
Watch, it's gonna be under here.
You feel like there's gonna be a snake?
Yes.
Egg.
I told you. Is there a snake?
Oh, is that a frog or a snake? Oh, it's a frog. Damn it.
Oh, so now there's like a dinosaur hole.
Not gonna do anything.
What are you doing?
That's not gonna get.
Okay, muscles. Yeah. We found another snake hole, and he thinks he's like the caveman or something. What's that one guy's name?
Steve Irwin.
Steve Irwin. Yeah.
Died.
Yeah. Yo, an alligator's gonna pop out and eat you, just like
wow,
Steve
this
Irwin.
one's a lot.
Watch like a hawk come out, or like a hippo, something like we just don't expect at all. A rhino just comes out and attacks us. See, like we're out here trying to find snakes, but really, like we got a snake at home. His name's Aaron, and he just snaked us for this video. Ah, just kidding, Aaron. I know you're watching this video, but I'm really upset that you ignored me all day because we're supposed to be filming right now, but you ditched me. So, yeah. I'm mad at you. Another hole, yo. You just can't keep yourself away from holes.
I'm about to dig all this. Look, one right there and one right here.
You can't keep yourself out of holes, bro. Pick one hole and stay loyal. Yeah, you're a landscaper, so you're used to digging stuff all day. You getting paid overtime for this?
He's getting paid for his regular job.
Oh.
Make more than you.
Oh.
Dude, I'm unemployed.
Oh.
When you get paid.
It's a rose fest out here. Yo, Adamir's still digging up holes, thinking he's gonna find a snake, which I really highly doubt there's gonna be a snake out. At this kind of day. What? Yeah, if you really want a snake, I'll give you one. It's just like a little to the left of my pants. We have found a bear print. We're gonna get eaten.
Yep, we're dead.
I love it. I love getting eaten. We found a little lake. We're under a little lake, or a stream, I should say, and we want to skip some rocks. So, taking a little break from exploring, and we're gonna skip some rocks, guys. Yeah. Leave in the comments right now who you think's gonna skip further, me or Adamir. That didn't even. He like threw it into the woods.
It's called skipping rocks, not throwing rocks.
Yeah. Oh, that's good far. What else you got? What else you got, yo? One more.
I need to find like a perfect one.
No, you don't. Just throw your body in there and drown.
Let's see how many I skip. Here.
3.
Watch out.
Okay, 3.
Watch out.
All right, let's see how many you skip.
Well, I had that log I skipped.
Your stitches? Your stitches?
I felt like that shit was gonna rip.
Wait, hold on, let me see. I think it's bleeding. Is it? Nope.
Shit's healed. Let's go.
By the way, everybody's leaving in the comments like, you're such a bad friend. Why would you let your friend do that? Well, yeah. I am a bad
I
friend.
wanted to.
He literally offered to do it.
Yo, I commented on the video saying that too.
Yeah.
Here, look.
He's like, he's kind of like Steve-O from Jackass, you know what I'm saying? He's like the one of the group that's kind of just like, yeah, I'll run head first into that brick wall. Why not? It's funny, right? Yeah. And he just does it. So yeah, that's who he is. So don't hate me. Be like, yo, you're a bully. You're forcing him to do this stuff for your videos, because not true. I kind of just like give the suggestion and he's like all for it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, I get 2 tries and they're like round as hell, so I'm probably not gonna skip, but I'll do it anyways. I do what I want. I'm Moses. Oh, that's 2. Wait, this one's way too heavy and round.
No, you're good. You got this.
You think?
I think, yeah.
All right, ready? Here it is, guys, for you.
Bro, that was good.
We're walking through a pile of right now. There's a whole bunch of bugs everywhere. I literally think I inhaled like a gallon of bugs. It's gross. Oh my god! Oh my god! It keeps going up like my eyes stuff. It's so good. I don't know if you guys can see that on video. There's so many bugs. Okay, bye-bye little town. Hey guys, it's getting a little dark, so I don't feel like keep exploring. We have to get ready to start doing the Ouija board video. So if you want to see that Ouija board video, definitely hit subscribe and turn on post notifications. I don't know when I'm gonna post it. So if you want to see it, definitely subscribe and you'll get notified when I post it. But if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to drop a like. Leave a comment on like suggestions or like what you guys think and all that kind of stuff. I love getting suggestions from you guys because you guys are the viewers, so I want to do what you guys want to see. Also, in the description, the first link is my merchandise. Definitely check it out. I have Duffy sweatshirts and shirts and t-shirts and all that kind of stuff. So it'd be really cool to see some of you guys rock it. And yeah, that's all I really got to say. Got to get ready to do this Ouija board video, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Deuces. I know you guys can't see me, but I'm squished in the back of the race car. So if you're seeing this, comment Lambo if you're seeing this right now.
This is more than music, I can feel it. I'm reading y'all people like Dr. Philin. And everybody, cause I just kill it. I'm the center of the stage, y'all just feelings. I'm a G, don't get it twisted.